Hello friends, we're back in the workshop. I brought an amplifier and we'll listen to it. But since the amplifier is in such state that the lamps are open and it's very difficult to transport it, I got the idea to make a temporary box for it, in the head format. A couple hours of work, a little painting, and that's it. It all looks like this inside. Everything is neat. Even the reverb got in there. And so, there will be the first inclusion with sound. I connected it to the speaker from my Marshall. This is a Marshall Heritage speaker, 16 ohm. The original of this amp, we will have a 15-inch 8 ohm GBL speaker. It goes in the sock with this amplifier. The case, along with the speaker, will come a little later. I'll tell you a little about this amplifier. The amplifier is called Gibson Vanguard GA77 RVT. I think it's 45 watts. It has a built-in tremolo and a built-in reverb. Here's the switch, which is wired straight from the board like this, and comes with a long gray wire. There's a channel for an instrument and a microphone, which has volume, bass, middle, and treble controls, and a second channel with 2 instruments, also 2 slots, and there is a monitor output. Position on, apparently turn on. Standby. And there is some other thing. But the inscriptions have been erased. I'll look them up. The thing is that this amp is from 63. Well, rather 64. The beginning of 64. Everything in it is original, even the lamps. And this is a very big plus. The history of this amplifier began with the fact that my friend in America, in a supermarket, took a newspaper with ads. Why he took it is not clear, everything is on the internet. He says, I don't understand why. Just a hand reached out. And he reads an ad and sees that someone is selling a 63 Gibson ES335 guitar. And he thought, who can sell in such newspapers? So he calls the guy up and says, what kind of owner are you? The 5th, the 10th? He says, I'm the first owner. Can we meet and see? Yes, of course, come to such and such an address. So he goes to the area, an expensive one. Some mansions, garages for 5 cars. Some cars are simply incredible. Stops near the house. An elderly man comes out and says, well, I'm the first owner. When I graduated from college, my parents gave me this guitar. I played on it. I played in a band. Well, it was with me, kept in case. I don't need it now, so I'm selling it. This is ES335, and says that I have an amplifier for it. I'll give you that for that price. It was really funny, you know, the price was really funny. And the price is like take and run. Of course, my friend bought it, and a day later, this person calls and says, listen, I have another amplifier that was in the garage. When we were rehearsing with the band, there was another amplifier at home and in the garage. Exactly the same. It was 64th, 63. Even the serial numbers differ by 1 digit. A friend bought it and naturally put it up for sale. And some hucksters from Joe Bonamassa responded, and they bargain mercilessly. It's like on the Eastern market, impenetrable people. So they buy all and they buy cheap. You know, all these stories that, oh, Bonamassa pays and, you know, maybe Bonamassa pays, but the hucksters take the money. I don't know how it happens, but that one bargained like hell. I immediately took it apart on the loan, packed it and took it away for delivery. And the second amp was supposed to go to me, and we all thought how to send it, because it's very expensive and dumb to send by mail. There was an attempt to send with a person on an airplane, as a valuable cargo, as an escorted baggage. That This person flew to the conference through Spain to Moscow. But in Spain he was delayed, and the company did not pay for the tickets to Moscow, so he came back with an amplifier. That was the first try. The second one, my friend tried to send the amplifier with his mom. He brought it to the airport, everything was sent. My mother flew, but the company stopped taking luggage on board. And in short, this luggage remained at the airport, taken back. Well, in the end, my friend spat on it, dismantled this part, the main one, the amplifier and the reverb tank. He sent by mail. And the box with the speaker itself, he sent it to my second friend in America, with whom we will send it by a transport company who can take this huge box. So, that's the story. So I'm very happy that finally it arrived and it works, that everything is whole and the original lamps work. So now we'll turn it on and listen to how it sounds. Wow, it works! Middle settings. On the first channel, bass, mid-range and treble. Loudness on 3. It's very clean. Yeah. Ah, the dust fell. Let's set it on 9. Damn, something is falling off my shelf there. It's really loud. Let's try the second channel now. What do we have here? We have bass, mid-range, treble, reverb. Okay, reverb on the foot switch. Yo, it works. That's amazing. Well, this channel sounds a little quiet. Second hole. Sounds identical. Tremolo. very clean, with a bright attack. I don't know if it's a speaker, but the attack of this amplifier is just amazing. I play Lespaul like a Telecaster. Yeah, that's amazing. That's something. Thanks for watching, guys. Feed to the channel. Well, subscribe to the channel, feed on musical energy and learn something new. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. I think I will take this amplifier to the studio in a couple of days, and other musicians will play on it, with different setups, with different guitars, and we will listen to what is generally happening on other speakers, on other cabinets. But honestly, it's kind of very soulful, bluesy, maybe even kind of country sound, a western one, even on the Lespaul. And this is not Grange, this is not Telecaster, even Lespaul. Well, of course, there are Goldie sensors, they are quite bright, with good attack and good frequency latitude, but with this amplifier, it really gives you a western sound, like dark blues, like blues Saraceno. I really like it. So many goosebumps. Okay, until we meet again, I say goodbye to you, but not for long.